So let's take a quick look at some of the most popular affiliate programs out there. Now, you've probably seen a few of these on other podcasts before, probably exactly because they're quite good. By that I mean they not only run decent affiliate programs, as in they've got decent commissions, decent tracking, that kind of stuff, but they also are good products. So you don't need to be too afraid about recommending them. So let's take a quick look. You've got Bluehost and SiteGround for web hosting. So that's a common one to recommend if you're talking to businesses or entrepreneurs. They always tend to need to set up a website. So it's a good one to recommend. You've got Amazon for just about anything, any physical products, books, anything like that. Amazon, it's a good one to sign up for. You've got Godaddy, similar for websites. You'll need a domain name. Godaddy offer commissions on domain names. You've got Wix. So if you want to set up a website, not just the hosting or the domain, but the actual website itself, Wix is good for that. Then you've got Audible. Audible is one that was always around in recent years, because if you're listening to a podcast, it's likely that you're amenable to audiobooks as well. So it's a good one to recommend to podcast listeners. Then for email, we've got Convertkit or Constant Contact, two that run really good affiliate programs. Again, business related, but useful if you're talking to that type of audience. Then you've got Shutterstock. So if people need images for anything, hobby projects, business projects, it's a nice one to recommend. And finally, you've got TeePublic. So if you're more entertainment, more news, anything like that, TeePublic have their own affiliate program whereby you can recommend t-shirts, apparel around any kind of topic, any kind of niche, and you can get a bit of commission there. So you can sell merch basically around any topic without having to create your own. You just get an affiliate on TeePublic's. The thing is though, you'll get the best results by finding products or services that are really closely related to your topic, your audience. So it's worth putting the extra work in to find those specific tailored ones rather than using any of these more general ones.